Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do hood pins the legit way, unlike the last one you guys seen. It was the DIY $3 hood pins. I'm installing these on a 96 Honda Accord, same as last time but a nicer shell. Step one, of course, is going to be to pop the hood. And then after you pop the hood, you're going to want to check the bolts, find out where the best spot to put the hood pins, and make sure that it's going to work with how the hood is, the pins and all that, the curves in the hood. Right here you see me testing everything, checking, looking, see what is the best spot for it, and now I am boring out the holes that I found that I think will work best. Moving the grill. On 96 Honda Accord, if you have the aftermarket front grill, you will only have 4 screws, and as you see it comes right out. I have a black one with a bronze mesh. Just right there I'm showing you that I'm going to remove the hood latch later. Right here is actually where I'm boring out the hole, making sure that the hood pin fits. Once you get it big enough to fit, you're going to want to put it on. Right here I just had it at its highest point. Right here I'm drilling through the hood, getting the holes for, or pre-drilling the holes for the step bit that I used to get it to the size I need it. Now that I got it in the right spot, I'm drilling a hole through the top, a bigger hole, and now using the step bit. Right here you see I have the bolts through. I'm putting the metal things on and marking out, or figuring out how I want them, and marking out the holes to drill so that you can put the screws in to hold down the metal plates. I'm pre-drilling the holes. I already have them marked out. I used just a blue paint marker. Right here I'm putting the screws in. So once you get all the screws in, holding those down, they're pretty much done. Other than you have to put it back together. Get the hood pins adjusted is what I'm doing right here. I'm adjusting the hood pins, removing the hood latch. Makes it easier to adjust the hood pins. Mine doesn't work anyway, so I had to. Now after you have it adjusted, just step back and take a look and see how good it looks. And thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.